this year we have even more vendors at the cook-off here at Barbecue Outfitters in South Lake. So got DCS and Weber and Memphis, got Twin Eagles, Komodo Joe, Fire Magic, Primo, got them all. Got a great setup. So corn you do it at 250?
Yeah, we do it on the low side of the flame like we're gonna fix it to do.
Yeah.
Just gonna put it on there, gonna spray with a little butter flavor.
Okay.
And just gonna let it roast on its own. As soon as it gets close to looking like it's done, then we'll hit it with a little amplify spice or any spice that you like. Salt, pepper, garlic, any flavor that you like, and we'll just leave it on there and let it just kind of soak in.
A hardcore carnivore or what? Amplify. Just piles. Okay.
When I do the rotation, I'll spray the bottom sides, and then when they're getting close to done, I'm cleaning it back up. And it's at about 250. Spray it with a little butter spray. Kind of roll it. You want that beautiful color to come out, to make the kernels pop. And then what we did is we sprinkled a little bit of hardcore carnivores amplify, but you can put any spice or rub on it, and it'll just meld into the butter and the sweetness, and it'll just pop, pop, pop every time. It gives it a better color when you look at it out there, but that right there is pretty color.
All right, so this is a blue smoked slaw. So I just cored out the cabbage, filled it with garlic, olive oil, barbecue seasoning, smoked it for 4 hours until it's nice and squishy. Then I'll chop this up, put my coleslaw dressing with it. That's how I make my pork belly tacos.
Awesome. Great flavor.
Thank you. Many people say I don't even like coleslaw, and that's really good.
So here's the finished slaw here on the top.
How y'all doing?
Brisket mac and cheese, slaw, ribs, cabbage. This is American Outdoor Grill, made by the same company that does the Fire Magic Grill.
Right.
We're showing off the rotisserie on this one, doing a peachy pork.
Okay. So how long has it been on so far?
This one's probably been on for about 45 minutes. We still got a little ways to go.
Okay.
Got a little summer peach rub on it with a little butt rub. Perfect on pork.
Oh yeah. So how long will it go to get to the right internal temperature?
Well, we're going to shoot for an internal of about 160 on this one, and we'll pull it off and carve it up.
Okay. So you let it rest very long, or because of the supply and demand, it doesn't get to rest very long?
We might be carving off of it with supply and demand. Typically, we try to let it rest for a little bit, but we can carve little pieces off of it if we need to.
So it's boil your noodles, elbow noodles, and put a layer down. Layer of sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, layer of noodles, cheddar, Monterey Jack. And then you're going to make up a mixture of 2 eggs, 2 cans of evaporated milk, salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of mustard. I think it's 4 tablespoons. I use Dijon mustard. And pour that over the top, Italian breadcrumbs, and a little bit of butter on top, and put it in the smoker for about an hour at 375, 400, and you're good to go.
And you add the brisket to it.
Yeah, absolutely. With brisket, mac and cheese.
Awesome combo. We've got prosciutto wrapped around the asparagus.
Yes.
How long does it cook?
Oh, just you want the prosciutto to get crisp.
Okay.
And that's what gives it that little extra crunch when you bite into it.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And it also, you don't really have to salt and pepper, just a little olive oil.
Okay.
And you're good to go.
Thank you.
Great addition.
Oh yeah.
Put it up here. I'm going to take them off and let them.
So you made the blackberry cobbler in a cast iron skillet?
On the grill, I sure
On the
did.
grill. What do you got?
So we've got sweet potato fries seasoned with salt, pepper, brown sugar, and cayenne, because I like a kick.
Okay.
They're completely raw. These are gonna take probably like 10 minutes on a hot grill.
That's it.
That's about it, and the inside will be nice and cooked.
And
You can do wedges, but they'll take a little bit longer.
So did you put in olive oil or something?
Yes, I did do some olive oil.
Okay.
Just, a little bit so they don't stick, but that's it.
Okay.
Simple, real simple.
Thank you.
They end up looking like.
Awesome.
Yep, go ahead and help yourself.
See, we're healthy now. We're eating our vegetables.
Right.
Smoking, and you won't have to do anything. You just set it, forget it, and get up in the morning. It's all ready.
What you got there?
is pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin wrapped in bacon and done at about 375 on the Memphis grill. Try it out.
I've never put it on skewers, I think. So that's good with the bacon.
Yeah.
Juicy.
Yes, sir.
So how long did you cook that?
I don't even know for sure. I do more just checking the temperature. I did it to, you know, like 165 internal temperature. Probably about 30 minutes. Not too long.
That's excellent.
Thank you.
Pink Himalayan
Are y'all done?
Pink Himalayan.
Right there's where it's at.
That's where it is.
We got brisket mac and cheese, homemade smoked slaw.
No, I'm goods, but so explain me what you got going here.
So we've got some chili cheese dog sliders over here, which I have to prepare. It's homemade chili, turkey chili. Over here I've got hatch green chili infused chicken fajita street toppers.
Okay.
Homemade by scratch.
I'll take that.
Want one of those?
Yeah.
I'll get you a plate over here, buddy.
Thanks. So what do you have in there? You got some onions and peppers.
It's very simple. I got chicken breasts, I've got onions, peppers, and the secret is in our family sauce right here.
The secret's in the family sauce.
Hatch green chili salsa.
Okay. So cake mix,
Mixed in with Sprite.
Sprite for your liquid.
And then we're going to add pineapple to it.
Pineapple. You're gonna cook this on the Komodo.
We're going to cook it on the Komodo.
You just bake it for that normal time for a cake mix.
Yep.
Another one of your tricks.
Another one of the tricks. Tricks of the trade.
Sumos.
That pink salt, that was pretty good.
What's that?
Richardson?
No.